Welcome back everyone. Let's make hair accessories. We need black elastic. We need some old knotted bubbles. That's what we call them in Jamaica. And we're going to make these. We're going to newly recycle them. First, we have to remove the old elastics, and this takes a little while. We collect the hair bubble in a basket, and we have a lot right here. Now we're going to proceed to put the elastic through the holes of the newly clipped off hair bubble. We are going to make a tight knot to secure our bubble so that it doesn't fall off. We have to make sure that we tie it really tight so that it doesn't pull out when we put it in the child's hair. Now after that, we're going to snip off the excess elastic. Now we tuck under the knotted part into the hole so that we hide it from plain view. Now we make another knot close up to one side of the bubble so that we have an open slot to wrap and close when we put it in our hair. Now we are going to repeat the steps shown and proceed to make more bubbles. This is a good activity you can do with your friends, family, and your students to do a recycling project. Now we have a lot more new bubbles, and this will last us for a little while. Thank you for watching our video.